Ever felt like you're stuck in a never-ending loop, trying hard but never getting anywhere? I was there too, just a few years ago. I kept wondering why others seemed to breeze through life, while I struggled to even take the first step. But then, I learned these 4 powerful concepts that changed everything. And today, I want to share them with you. First, consistency over motivation. You'll hear a lot about motivation, but let me tell you, it fades. What really works? Consistency. Show up every single day, even when you don't feel like it. Second, embrace failure. If you want to be successful, you have to fail. Yes, I said it. Every failure is a lesson, and if you're scared of it, you'll never move forward. And third, mindset matters more than talent. If you think only the naturally gifted people succeed, think again. A positive, growth-oriented mindset can take you farther than talent alone. Finally, surround yourself with the right people. The people you spend time with shape your future. Choose wisely. Now, if you're ready to take it to the next level and unlock your full potential, check out my next video, From Ordinary to Extraordinary, 3 Rules to Thrive in 2025. You won't want to miss it. Your journey to success starts now. Let's make 2025 your year.